Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Live Forever. Achieving continuous longevity within this experience involves specific steps and understanding key game mechanics. First, you must identify and access the correct game mode or server. Then, you will follow a series of instructions to activate your immortal status. Finally, we will cover strategies to maintain this state and avoid common pitfalls, ensuring you can enjoy the full benefits without interruption for as long as you play. To begin, open the Roblox application and use the search bar at the top, typing in Live Forever. Carefully choose the official game experience from the search results to avoid imposters. Once inside, prioritize joining a server with stable connection, indicated by a low ping for the best gameplay. Your first objective will be to find the designated non-player character or interactive beacon, usually marked prominently, which initiates the Live Forever quest line or activation sequence. Once you have located the activation point, interact with it to receive your first set of instructions. Typically, you will need to complete 2 or 3 straightforward mini-quests, which might involve collecting 10 specific items or traversing a short obstacle course. Upon successful completion, you will be rewarded with 1 longevity token. Consume this token directly from your inventory. This immediately grants you a temporary state of immortality for about 30 minutes, which you will need to refresh. To maintain your Live Forever status, consistently gather additional longevity tokens. These are typically earned through daily challenges, such as completing 5 specific tasks, or by participating in repeatable side quests within the game world. It is highly advisable to keep a reserve of at least 2 or 3 tokens in your inventory. Some versions of the game even offer an auto-refresher upgrade for about 200 in-game currency, which automatically consumes a token when your current one expires, ensuring continuous immortality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.